Welcome to the front of me Oukitel K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to change the ringtone volume we can just switch. You can move this dot to the left or to the right side with our finger by this way. And if you want to just launch the sound settings from the home screen quickly, you can use power buttons here on the right side of your device. So press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on this settings icon. And by the same way you can also change the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.